guys, today I'm going to make strawberries covered chocolate for Valentine's treats. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna need this from Walmart. Now I have melted chocolate. Now let's get started. When you have a strawberry, make sure hold it like this. And make sure the chocolate is only like instead of this, not more than this size. Then when you have it like this, do it like this. You have to hold the strawberry right on the hair like this. Then you do it like this size, and then ta-da! Then you put it on the plate when the chocolate isn't coming out from the bottom. Oh. Then when it's done, put it on the plate. Get the next one. Put it next to the other one. Ooh, this one's dry. To the next one. That's all I will make. I'll make 6. Then another chocolate. I'll get my gray milk. Put my chocolate in here. Then you have a lot of chocolate in your gray milk. Then melt it. I have a melted chocolate. So let's drizzle some on the strawberry. When you got your dried strawberry, drizzle them just like this. See, it's so easy to drizzle. Now you have a chocolate covered strawberries for your loved ones. Let's eat one. This is delicious. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video.